Hello dear student, welcome back to the lecture series of digital electronics. In this video, we are going to discuss about binary codes, Excess-3 code. In the previous video, we had discussed different types of binary codes. The binary codes are the group of bits which are used in digital communication. The Excess-3 code can be derived from natural BCD code by adding 3 to each coded number. Okay, so Excess-3 code, we can say that Excess-3 code is equal to BCD code plus 3. So for example, we have one number. A. Okay, so first step, to convert this A, which is a decimal number, into a BCD number, first step, convert into a BCD number and then add 3 and binary value of 3 is 0011. Okay, so you get Excess-3 code. Excess-3 code. Okay, for example, we have one decimal number. 5. 5 is a decimal number. So first you have to convert this decimal number into BCD code. So to convert into a BCD code, we use one code, that is 8421. Okay, so the BCD code for 5 is 4 plus 1. Okay, so remaining bits are 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is the BCD code of 5, decimal value 5. Okay, now we have to add 3. Okay, the value, the binary value for 3 is 0011. So if we add 3 in this BCD code, then we get Excess-3 code. Okay, so 0101 BCD number as it is, plus add 0011, that indicate 3. Okay, first one value indicate 5 decimal number. Okay, and second one number indicate 3, which is also a decimal number. Okay, so if we add both these BCD number, then we get Excess-3 code. So 1 plus 1, first column 1 plus 1, sum is 0 and carry is 1. Second one column 1 plus 1, that then we get sum is equal to 0 and carry is equal to 1. And 1 plus 1 in third column, so we get sum is equal to 0 and carry is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 plus 0, so we get 1. Okay, so this is the Excess-3 code. Excess-3 code for the given number. Okay, now if we convert this Excess-3 code into decimal number, okay, so we get 8 in decimal number. Okay, so as we discussed earlier, we have one decimal number, and first step to convert this decimal number into Excess-3 code. So first we will convert this number into BCD code and then we add 3. Okay, so we have one decimal number 5. If we add 03, which is also a decimal number, then we get 8 in decimal number. So here the Excess-3 code indicate the final value in decimal number. Okay, this way we can convert any decimal number into Excess-3 code. Now the meaning of Excess-3 is represent over here. We have one number, that is 5, and we get the final answer, that is 8. So 8 is a Excess-3 of or more than 3 than 5. Okay, this way we can convert any decimal number into Excess-3 code. Now let us make a table of a decimal number to Excess-3 code. Okay, so first one, that is decimal number. Now if you want to convert this decimal number into Excess-3 code, so first step, convert into a BCD number and then add 3 into the BCD number, then we get Excess-3 code. Excess-3 code mostly used in digital communication from one device to another device. Okay, so first convert into BCD and then add 3, so it will give you Excess-3 code. Okay, Excess-3 code and BCD codes are one type of binary codes. Okay, so it will represent into we can represent BCD code and Excess-3 code with the help of zeros and 1, that is a binary values. Okay, so let us start first one decimal number, that is 0. If we convert this 0 into BCD number, then we can use 8421 code. So the BCD value for 0 is equal to 0000, as we discussed in our previous video lecture. Okay, now if we add 3 is 0011. Okay, so if we add 3 in the given binary BCD number, then we get 0011. Excess-3 code for 0. 0 is a decimal number. Okay, next one decimal number, that is 1. If we convert this 1 into BCD code, then we use first one 1, remaining bits are 0. So 0001. Okay, now if we add a 3 or 0011 in this code, then we get 0100. Let's check how we get this Excess-3 code. So first one, the decimal number, that is 1. That is a decimal number. If we convert this decimal number into BCD code, then we get 0001. And if we add a 3 in this BCD code, then 0011, then we get the Excess-3 code. 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 and 1 carry. 1 plus 1, again sum is 0 and carry is equal to 1. And 1 plus 0 plus 0, so we get 1, and remaining 0 plus 0 is 0. Now let us take third one number, that is 2. The BCD code for 2 is equal to 0010, and if we add 0011 in this code, then we get 0010 plus 0011. Then we get 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 and carry 1. 1 plus 0 plus 0 is 0, and 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. So we get 0101. Now if you compare all these numbers, if we give the name for decimal number is A. Okay, so at the Excess-3 column we get A plus 3. Okay, that indicate Excess-3. Okay, for example, A is equal to 0. Then if we place A is equal to 0 over here, then we get 0 plus 3 is equal to 3, and value for 3 in BCD code is equal to 0011. If we place A is equal to 1, then we get 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, and the value for a BCD code 4 is equal to 0100. Okay, next one bit, that is A is equal to 2. So A plus 3, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, and BCD code for 5 is equal to 0101. This way you can convert all these decimal number from 0 to 9. Okay, the BCD value for 9 is equal to 1001, and if you add 0011, that is 3 in this BCD code, then you get Excess-3 code. 1 plus 1, we get 0 plus and 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 with 1 carry. Okay, 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. Sorry, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, and 1 plus 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Okay, so this is the final Excess-3 code for decimal number 9. Okay, so let us write over here 1100 is the Excess-3 code for 9. Okay, this way you can convert any BCD number into Excess-3 code or decimal number into Excess-3 code. Clear? Now the next one portion, that is the addition of two Excess-3 code or two decimal number with the help of Excess-3 code. Okay, so let us check the addition process of two decimal number or BCD number. Addition of Excess-3 code. Now to perform Excess-3 addition, we have first one step, add two Excess-3 number using ordinary binary addition method. Okay, so add two Excess-3 code by ordinary binary number. Okay, binary addition. Now the second one step, if carry generate, this carry is the final carry. Okay, so if we add 4-bit two numbers, then the carry generate after fourth one bit, then that is the final carry. Okay, so if carry is equal to 1, then add 3, that is 0011 in the final answer or in the sum of 4-bit numbers. If carry is equal to 0, then subtract 3, that is 0 0 1 1 in binary from the sum. Okay, so let us check with the help of example. For example, we have two decimal number, 8 which is decimal number plus 6 which is also decimal number, and we have to perform the addition of two decimal number with the help of Excess-3 code. So let us convert first one decimal number into BCD code. So BCD code for 8 is equal to 1000, and BCD code for 6 is equal to 0110. Okay, this one is the BCD code for 6. Now if you want to convert this BCD code into Excess-3 code, then we have to add 3 in the BCD code, and the value for a 3 in binary, that is 0011. Okay, so if we add 3 in this one BCD code, then we get plus 0011, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. This one is the final Excess-3 code for 8. Next one, that is 6. Okay, so if you convert this BCD code into Excess-3 code by adding 3, then you get 0110 plus 0011. The addition of 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 with 1 carry, 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 plus with 1 carry, and 1 plus 0 plus 0 is 1. This one is the Excess-3 code for 6. Okay, now if we add both these Excess-3 code, then we get 1011 plus 1001. Okay, so if we add with a simple or ordinary binary addition, then 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 with 1 carry, 1 plus 1 in second column, so 0, and with 1 carry, 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 and 1 carry. So we get 1 carry bit over here. Okay, so as we discussed in the addition process of a 2 Excess-3 code, and if we get a carry, then add 3 in the final sum. So we have to add 3, that is 0011 in both the group of bits. Okay, so first one group, that is 0001, this one group. Second one group, that is 0100, and if we add 3 in both the group, then we get 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 0 is equal to again 1, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 with 1 carry, 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 with 1 carry, and 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 0 is 0. So this one is the final addition of two decimal number in Excess-3 form. Now if you convert this Excess-3 code into decimal number, then the number indicate, this one is a 1 a BCD number, and that number indicate number 1. Now if you convert this Excess-3 code in group of 4 bits, then first group indicate 1 and second group indicate 4. Okay, so 14, that is one decimal number, and the Excess-3 code for 14, that is 14, is given over here. Now if we add both this decimal number 8 plus 16, then we get 14 in decimal number system. Okay, that is the final answer for the given sum. Now let us take one more example. If we want to add 1, that is decimal number, plus 2, that is also decimal number, and we will add both this decimal number with the help of Excess-3 code. Okay, so first convert these decimal numbers into BCD code. So BCD code for 1 is equal to 0001. This one is a BCD code. Second one number, that is 0010, that is a BCD code for 2, and if we add 3 in this BCD code, then we get 0001 plus 0011. Then we get 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 with 1 carry, 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 with 1 carry, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So this one is the BCD code, sorry, this one is the Excess-3 code for the given decimal number. And if we add 3 in the second decimal BCD code, then we get 0010 plus 0011, and if we add both these BCD number, then we get Excess-3 code. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 with 1 carry, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, and 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. So this one is the second one Excess-3 code for second decimal number. And if we add both these Excess-3 code, then we get 0100 plus 0101. Okay, so the addition of this both these Excess-3 number, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 with 1 carry, and 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. In this case, we have carry is equal to 0, or we can say we don't have any carry bit. Okay, so as we discussed in the addition process, if carry bit is equal to 0, then we have to subtract 3 from the final answer or sum. Okay, because if we convert this number, this Excess-3 number, into a decimal number, then we get the final answer is equal to 6 in decimal number system. But if we add both these decimal number 1 plus 2, then we get only 3 in decimal number. So we have to subtract 3 from the final result. So if we subtract 3, that is 011, from the given equation, then we get from the given from the final sum, then we get 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, 0 minus 1, so we have to take 1 borrow, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, and 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Okay, and 0 minus 0, so we get over here 0. Okay, so this one is the final Excess-3 code for the given equation. Okay, and if we convert this Excess-3 code into decimal number, then we get 3 in decimal number, which is the final answer as we discuss in decimal addition. Okay, so this way you can add two decimal numbers with the help of Excess-3 code. And the next one process, that is Excess-3 subtractions. Excess-3 subtraction. So to subtract two Excess-3 number, we have to take first complement of, so we have to take first complement of second number. Okay, for example, we have two numbers, a, which is one decimal number, and we want to subtract this number from a. Okay, so we have to take complement of second number, and second number is b. Okay, then add complemented second number to the first one. Add second number, add complement of second number, complemented second number to first number. And in our case, first number is a. Okay, third one step, if carry bit generated, if carry bit generated and carry is equal to 1, then the result is positive. Result is positive number. Then the result is positive number, and we have to add 3. Add 3, that is 0011 in binary in the final sum. If carry is equal to 0, if carry is equal to 0, then the final result is negative number. and we have to subtract 3 from the final sum. Okay, so let's take one more example to perform subtraction of two excess-3 codes. Okay, for example, we have one number 5, which is a decimal number, and we want to subtract that number from 8. Okay, so first step, convert this decimal number into BCD number. So BCD number for 8 is equal to 100, and BCD number for 5 is equal to 0101. Okay, now if we want to convert this BCD number, this one is a BCD number, and if we want to convert into excess-3 code, then we can add 00011 in the BCD code, so we get excess-3 code. Okay, so the excess-3 value for 8 is equal to 1011, and excess-3 value for 5 is 1000. Okay, this one is the excess-3 code for 8 and 5, and then we have to take the complement of second number, and we, in our case, second number is 5, so we can take a complement for the excess-3 code, and complement is equal to 0111. Okay, this one is a excess-3 code. Okay, and next one step, that is add complemented second number to the first number. Okay, so first number, that is 1011, that is a excess-3 code of 8, excess-3 code for 8. Next one number, that is 0111, that is a complemented number of 5 in excess-3 code. If we add both this number, then we get 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 with 1 carry. Next one column, 1 plus 1 plus 1, then we get 1 with 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 with 1 carry, and 1 plus 1, that is 0 with 1 carry bit. So we get 1 carry bit or extra carry bit in the final sum. Now the third one step, if carry bit is equal to 1, then sum is the, or result is a positive number. So this one is a positive number, and we have to add 3 or 0011 in the final summation. Now if we add 30011 in the final answer, so we get 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 with 1 carry, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, and 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Now we have to add this carry bit, which is a extra bit, in the final answer. So if we add this carry bit, then the carry bit is equal to 0001. So we get 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 with 1 carry, 1 plus 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, and 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So this way we can subtract two excess-3 code or two decimal number with the help of excess-3 code. Okay, if we convert this excess-3 code in decimal number, then we get 3 in decimal number, and this one is the excess-3 code, which is used to encode the information in digital communication.